If you're on TikTok and you want to start growing a following, a helpful feature is to allow other people to repost your videos, essentially sharing your videos with their audiences. This is a great way to go viral, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, and within the TikTok app, tap on Profile at the bottom right. And then tap on the three lines at the top right. From here, just tap on Settings and Privacy at the very bottom. And then scroll down and tap on Private Account right under Visibility. If you have a private account, unfortunately, no one else will be able to reuse or repost your videos. So you do need to turn this off so that you have a public account. So if that is on, just toggle it off. Next, let's tap the back arrow at the top left. And then from here, we're going to scroll down and tap on Reuse of Content. And then at the top, tap on Allow Reuse of Content. And it says manage who can duet, stitch, and create stories on your posts or on your videos. And this includes reposting it. And switch who can use your content from friends over to everyone. However, this only applies to new videos going forward. It doesn't change old videos if you want to allow people to repost those. To do that, let's tap the back arrow at the top left and then scroll to the top. Under Activity, tap on Manage Posts and then tap on Manage Post Reuse Permission. On here, all you need to do is select one or more or all of the videos and then tap the Next button and switch this to Allow Reuse of Content so that other people will be able to stitch, duet, but also repost or republish your videos, growing your audience and your basically visibility within the TikTok app. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.